So the viewer specifically asked about the star jasmine and whether it could be placed outdoors in winter, and this person is in zone 7. So there are several types of jasmines. The one that I'm referring to is the one that's known as the true jasmine, and here's a picture here, and I showed you that the one that I have at the beginning of this video. It's also known as the Jasmine officinale, and it's supposed to be growing in zone 7. So I'm going to show you really briefly. Zone 7, according to the USDA map, well, there's a 7A and a 7B. But the thing about it is the lowest temperature is between 0 to 5. And according to that, well, I kind of really don't go by that. So when it comes to growing my jasmine, my secret is to go by the lowest nighttime temperature. Now, I've tested the one jasmine that I have, and like I said, I've had it for 8 years, and I know that this jasmine will not survive if the temperature goes below 39 degrees. Actually, let me just rephrase that. If it hits 39 degrees, that plant will not do well. And how do I know that? Because one time I forgot to bring it inside and the temperature went down to 39, and I thought it was gonna die. So to answer your question, this will not survive. Even if you live in zone 7 and it says that you can bring it, you can kind of keep it outside, I would not. Just pay attention to the nighttime temperature. Don't let it go below 40 for sure, because it will really be freaked out. I suggest that you bring it in if the temperature is going to go below 45, and definitely just kind of keep it in a place where you can bring it in and out of the sun, just so that it doesn't die on you. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you subscribe to my channel, Gardening Zen. Thank you for watching.